Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use auto clicker on iPhone iOS 18, and here's how it is done. Open settings and scroll down to accessibility. Tap on switch control and then go to switches. Select add new switch, screen, full screen, then choose tap as the action. Next, we will create the auto clicker recipe. Go back to switch control and tap on recipes. Choose create new recipe. Give it a name and set full screen as the switch. For the action, select custom gesture. Tap on the screen to record where and how often you want the auto clicker to tap. For example, tap once to refresh the screen or add multiple taps for different actions. When done, tap save. Finally, enable quick access to the auto clicker. Go back to accessibility and scroll to accessibility shortcut. Select switch control as your shortcut. Now, to use the auto clicker, triple tap the power button to activate switch control. Then tap the screen to run the auto clicker. To stop, triple tap the power button again. And that is everything you need to know about how to use auto clicker on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.